Hello, it's Mark Laurrie, your superintendent for a September the 29th, Tuesday. A lot of community announcements on our YouTube video. It starts with this Friday, October the 2nd, at Niagara Falls High School, the back parking lot. A number of sponsoring agencies that I will read in a moment are sponsoring a census drive, a safe COVID equipment distribution time, and a drive-in movie. The equipment's out there for having a drive-in movie on the back parking lot of Niagara Falls High School. You'll pull up in your car, but first we'll make sure that you've checked your census and done your good deeds around COVID. It's being sponsored by the following agencies: Niagara Falls Peacemakers, NOAA, the Niagara Falls Underground Railroad Heritage Center, Blue Cross and Blue Shield, Aero Transportation, the Salvation Army, and Creating a Healthier Niagara Collaborative. The movie is Black Panther. It will be shown behind the high school. You'll follow the cones and the people that are guiding you there. It's important that you fill out your census as we're coming down to the waning days of census filling out. Our friends at the Francis Center, the wonderful Sister Betty, can be reached at 284-2050. That's 284-2050. The Francis Center does after-school programming from 3 to 5, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday for Niagara Street students. It is great homework assistance, math and ELA, as well as arts of second and third graders. Housing Authority also has after-school programming. Their after-school programming, again, is Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. They do their program from 3 to 6. There is a very small nominal fee to do after-school programming at the Niagara Falls Housing Authority. The locations are the Packard Court Center and the Doris Jones Center. The district provides meal service at 5 locations now, and only 5. Niagara Falls High School, Abbott, Niagara Street, High Park, and Cataract School, 11 to 1. Any of those, any day of the week. Just those 5 locations. We are continuing to distribute technology to our remote learners. These are individual laptops that have been requested. Sometimes when you're in remote learning or on one of your hybrid off days, you'll need to know that you have a problem. Go to www.nfschools.net, go to the Student Technology Help Desk Center, enter your concern into that center, and someone will return an answer to you as quickly as possible. For our staff, please make sure that every day you're completing your staff survey of 8 or 9 questions regarding your own personal health. Completely important that you do that daily upon entering or before entering our buildings. Also, staff, it's flu season, unfortunately, again. We will have immunization clinics at all schools for staff. You need to bring your insurance card. October 7th and 14th, those are Wednesdays. They will be at all schools, sponsored this round by Walgreens. Parents, remember, if your child has a temperature, sore throat, a cough, diarrhea, vomiting, abdominal pain, headache, fever, please keep your child home. They should get to your primary medical care provider and get looked at with a test and an evaluation. If you're sent to our isolation room, you cannot return until your child can't return without a negative COVID test and without a doctor's note stating you've been symptom-free without medication for 3 days. I want to thank our friends at Maple Avenue School, both all the parents, staff, and students, for your patience and getting up and running. Well, we took an abundance of precaution in closing that school. We are anticipating, once we get more information on some of the testing we're doing, we're anticipating giving you an update on our quick return. Please stay tuned for information, listen, be patient. We will get through that together. Those are all of our announcements for today. Remember, immunization of students, if you do not have an appointment, and you need New York State immunizations, the date has passed. You will be receiving a call from our nurses, unfortunately having to exclude you because you at least must have an appointment to get your immunizations taken care of. This is a New York State law and regulation. Thank you for understanding. Hand washing, soap and water, social distancing, face covering, positive attitudes, can-do spirit. We're in it together. Thank you very much.